If you want to use private proxies with Firefox, this video will walk you through the exact setup step by step. Whether you're using a proxy for privacy, testing, or accessing region-specific content, Firefox makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to look. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three-line menu icon to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Firefox keeps all of the browser configuration options you'll need. Once the settings page opens, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains connection-related options, security preferences, and data controls. Now scroll down until you find the Connection and Software Security area. Depending on your version of Firefox, this may appear a little differently, but it's usually in the lower part of the Privacy and Security page. When you find it, click Advanced Settings. This opens the network and proxy configuration options. On the next screen, scroll down until you see Proxy Settings. This is the section that controls how Firefox connects to the internet through a proxy server. Click Configure Proxy to open the proxy setup window. Here, select Manual Proxy Configuration. This tells Firefox that you want to enter your own private proxy details instead of using automatic detection or system settings. Now type in your proxy information carefully. You'll usually need the proxy server address, the port number, and in some cases a username and password if your private proxy requires authentication. Enter each field exactly as provided by your proxy provider, because even a small typo can stop the proxy from working properly. If your provider gives separate settings for HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS, make sure you enter them in the correct fields. Take your time here and double check everything before continuing. Once all of your proxy settings are filled in, click OK to save the configuration. Firefox will now start using your private proxy based on the details you entered. At this point, you can test your connection by visiting a website or checking your IP address to confirm that the proxy is active. If the site loads correctly and your IP has changed, then your setup was successful. And that's it. You've now learned how to use private proxies with Firefox. If this video helped, please leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the rest of the channel for more helpful browser and privacy guides. Thanks for watching.